The human body is a silent universe, a world where millions of processes keep us alive without us even noticing. But sometimes, one small mistake, one bite, one drop can change everything inside. When a person accidentally consumes something deadly, the journey begins within seconds. The substance passes through the mouth, down the throat, and reaches the stomach, a place designed to break food into life-giving energy. But this time, the stomach receives something else, not nourishment, but destruction. The stomach acid tries to break it down, following its natural duty. But deadly substances are different. They begin their attack first. Within moments, they start dissolving into the bloodstream. And once the poison enters the blood, the entire body becomes a battlefield. The blood carries it everywhere, to the heart, to the liver, to the kidneys, and finally, to the brain. The body's defense system, the immune cells, sense the threat. They raise an internal alarm. Something dangerous has entered us. But some toxins act faster than the body can respond. The heartbeat begins to change, sometimes fast, sometimes weak. Breathing gets heavier. A strange dizziness begins to spread through the head. It feels as if the world is slowly fading. Inside, the liver takes the first blow. It tries to break the toxin apart, tries to neutralize it, because that is its job, its purpose. But not every toxin can be defeated. Some are simply too strong, too quick. Next, the kidneys step in, trying to filter the blood. They struggle to separate the toxin and push it out of the body. But when the poison overwhelms them, the kidneys begin to fail, and the bloodstream becomes flooded. Meanwhile, the brain begins to lose its clarity. Thoughts slow down. Signals between the brain and the body grow weaker, as if someone is turning down the volume. The person may feel cold sweats, shaking hands, fear rising from deep inside, and a sudden loss of control. But these are not just symptoms. They are the body's cries for help. Every organ fights with everything it has. The heart pumps harder. The lungs gasp for more oxygen. The liver and kidneys work beyond their limits. The entire body enters a state of emergency because survival becomes its only mission. Sometimes the body wins with timely help, quick action, and strong inner resistance. In such moments, life slowly returns, the heartbeat settles, the mind clears, and the body begins to heal. But sometimes the poison wins, not because the body is weak, but because certain substances are designed to overpower life itself. When the organs can no longer fight, the systems begin to shut down, one by one by one. And then silence. But remember, this story is not written to spread fear. It is written to remind us how fragile we truly are, and how unbelievably strong our bodies fight to keep us alive. Every breath you take is a victory. Every heartbeat is a small miracle. Life is delicate, and that is what makes it precious.